Hi, in this lecture we see how to do active OS fingerprinting. In our last lecture we saw how to do passive OS fingerprinting. That means you are going to just say the operating system used by your target machine. But in this lecture we'll see how to tell the exact version of the operating system your victim is using. Uh, so why do you need this version of the operating system? Because if the exploits and vulnerabilities varies from version to version of operating system. So if you know the exact version of the operating system, it will be easy for you to build up the exploits and vulnerabilities associated with that version of the operating system. And then we'll see how to enumerate emails from the server. That means how to gather the emails from the specified web server, and you can use them for email marketing and couple of things. And also in this lecture I'm going to introduce a new operating system to you, that is Kali Linux. It has got a cool interface, user friendly, and lot of useful tools for penetration testers, security analysts, reverse engineering, and bunch of things. So now I'm getting very much excited, so let's get started. First go ahead to open up your browser and move ahead to Google and type Kali Linux and go ahead with the download link. And once you reach here, type your name, emails for any newsletter, such things, or just click on no thanks, just download, and select all your versions and download. So once you have downloaded, you will get a ISO file. Just you know what to do with that ISO file. Just go ahead and install it with a virtual machine. In the last lecture I showed you how to do that. And then once you have installed, you will get an interface like this. And if you got any problem with the installation of this operating system, just leave a question, I'll solve it. Fine. Now once you have got this interface, go ahead and open up a terminal and just type nmap and -o. That O is a switch. I mean, it is a switch for scanning the operating system, right? And then you have to type the IP address of your target machine. So here we'll take our main machine as the target, and let's open up a command prompt, big black screen, and type ipconfig to know the IP address. Fine, it says it's 1.2. Let's just copy that and paste it here. So in meanwhile, let's see the version of this operating system. Fine, it says Windows 7 Ultimate. Let's see if it can show that. Right. So here it says Windows 7 SP1. So this is how you're going to scan the operating system. That's quite easy, right? And you have got the version of the operating system is using. Then in our later of this course I'm gonna show you how to build up exploits based on this operating system and how you can exploit it, and I'll show you how you can get secured. That is the most important thing, right? And now we'll move ahead to enumerating emails. Go to applications, Kali Linux, information gathering, DNS analysis, and move ahead to Maltego. This is a very good tool, you'll love it. Let's wait for it to start. If you're starting it for the first time, you'll be asked for registering an account, and then go ahead and log in there, and later you'll see this interface. Here select company stalker, then click next. Then here we'll enumerate email IDs from yahoo.com. Okay, so just type yahoo.com, then click on finish. Okay, Let's wait for it. Wow. These are the email address associated with yahoo.com. There are thousands of emails. You can use all these things for email marketing. You can do mass mail, anything you want with these emails. So now let's have a small recap on what we did today. Today we learned about how to active fingerprint OS of the target machine, and you learned how to gather certain email accounts associated with certain domains so that you can use it for email marketing and mass mail and much more.